Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. Today we will solve some important questions of complex integration which has been appeared in GATE exam and CSIR NET exam. So let's start. In this question we have given a region omega such that imaginary part of complex number z greater than 0. That means we are talking about this region, okay, this yellow color region, okay, and then we have a curve C lying inside this region omega. Initial point of this curve C is minus 1 plus 2 iota and final point is 1 plus 2 iota. Then we have to integrate this integral along the curve C. Since the function 1 plus 2z over 1 plus z is analytic in region omega, hence its integral will be independent of the path chosen. So for comfort, I'll integrate along this line. Initial point is minus 1 plus 2 iota and final point is 1 plus 2 iota. So I'm going to integrate of the given integral along this line. Okay, so this line is y equals to 2. Okay, so z will be x plus iota y, x and y is 2 here, so it will be 2 iota. Okay, so z will be x plus 2 iota. Okay, and dz will be dx. Okay, so now let's integrate. Okay, we have to integrate 1 plus 2z over 1 plus z dz. Okay, so now let's substitute z. So we have 1 plus 2, z is x plus 2 iota over 1 plus z is x plus 2 iota. Okay, and dz is dx. Okay, since x is varying from minus to 1, so limit will be minus 1 to 1. Okay, so now let's simplify. So we have integration from minus 1 to 1. We can write this as 2x plus 1 plus 4 iota over x plus 1 plus 2 iota dx. Okay, now integration from minus 1 to 1. We can also write this as, in numerator we have 2x plus 1 plus 2 iota minus 1, and in denominator we have x plus 1 plus 2 iota dx. Okay, so we have minus 1 to 1, do partial fraction. So we'll have 2 dx minus integration minus 1 to 1 1 over x plus 1 plus 2 iota dx. Okay, so its integration will be 2x, lower limit is minus 1 and upper limit is 1, minus its integration will be log x plus 1 plus 2 iota and limit is from minus 1 to 1. Okay, so this will be 2 1 minus 1 and now put the limit here. So after putting limit we will get log base e 2 plus 2 iota minus log base e 2 iota. Okay, now we only have to simplify it. Okay, so after simplification we will have 4 minus log 1 plus iota over iota. Okay, we have just used the property of log m minus log n will be log m upon n. Okay, so now multiplying iota in numerator and iota in denominator. Okay, so we'll have 4 minus log base e and this will be 1 minus iota. Okay, now let's write this in polar form. Okay, so we'll have 4 minus log e root 2 e raised to power minus I pi by 4. Okay, so after simplification we will get 4 minus half log 2 plus iota pi by 4. Okay, so you can see option A is correct. Okay, now let's see next question. In this question we have a positive real number a and we have a triangle delta with vertices 0 a and a plus iota a. Then we have to find this integral. Okay, but first let's draw the triangle delta. Suppose this is point A and this is point A. So this point is origin, so this will be point 0, this will be point A, and this point will be A plus A iota. Okay, and this is the required triangle. Okay, so this is triangle delta. Okay, and we have to find integral in counterclockwise direction, so its direction will be in this direction. Suppose this point is O, this point is A, and this point is B. Okay, now let's find integral. Okay, so we have to find integration in delta of function real part of z dz. Okay, and this is nothing but triangle delta is triangle OAB, real part of z means x, and dz is d of x plus iota y. Okay, since we have to find integral in counterclockwise direction, so this integral will be integration from 0 to a x d of x plus iota y plus integration along AB x d of x plus iota y and plus integration along BO x d of x plus iota y. Okay, so along OA x is changing and y is 0. Okay, so x is changing from 0 to a, so it will be 0 to a x d x. Okay, and y is 0 here. Now along AB is y is changing from 0 to a, y is changing from 0 to a, and x is constant which is equals to a, so a d of x is a plus iota y. Now integration along BO. Okay, so equation of line BO is y equals to x. Okay, simply you can find it. Now integration along BO. Okay, so x d of x plus iota y is equals to x, so it will be iota x. Okay, and x is changing from a to 0, so limit will be a to 0. Okay, now just simplify the given integrals. Okay, so we have integration 0 to a x dx plus integration 0 to a iota dy plus integration a to 0 x 1 plus iota dx. Okay, now let's start integrating. Integration of x will be x square over 2 and limit is from 0 to a. AI is constant, so taking this outside the integral sign, so we have AI integration of dy will be y and limit is from 0 to a, plus taking constant 1 plus iota outside, so we'll have 1 plus iota. Integration of x will be x square over 2 and limit is from a to 0. Okay, now let's put the limit. So after putting limit we will get a square over 2 plus a square I 1 plus iota minus a square over 2. Okay, so after simplification we'll get a square over 2 iota. Okay, so you can see option B is correct. Okay, now see last question of today's video. In this question we have a function f of z which is z cube e raised to power z square, and we have a circle gamma given by z equals to e raised to power iota theta, and theta is varying from 0 to 4 pi. Then we have to find this integral. We have to find 1 over 2 pi iota integration in gamma f prime z over f of z dz. Okay, so for this we need to find f prime z first. Okay, so let's find f prime z. Given f of z is z cube e raised to power z square, not taking log both side, so after taking log we'll get log base e f of z 3 log z plus z square. Okay, now let's differentiate both sides with respect to z. So after differentiating we'll get 1 over f of z differentiation of f, and this will be 3 differentiation of log z will be 1 over z plus 2z. Okay, and this df over dz is f prime z. Okay, so f prime z over f of z equals to 3 over z plus 2z. Okay, now let's substitute this into this equation. Okay, so after substituting we'll get 1 over 2 pi I integration gamma 3 over z plus 2z dz. Okay, and z is given, z is e raised to power iota theta, so we have z is e raised to power iota theta, and from here dz will be iota e raised to power iota theta d theta. Okay, so now let's substitute z and dz into this equation. Okay, so after substituting we'll get 1 over 2 pi iota integration 3 over z will be e raised to minus iota theta plus 2 e raised to iota theta, and dz will be iota e raised to I theta d theta. Okay, and theta is varying from 0 to 4 pi. Okay, now let's simplify. So we'll have 1 over 2 pi I integration from 0 to 4 pi. Now let's multiply this e raised to theta inside the bracket. Okay, so after multiplying we'll get 3 plus 2 e raised to 2 I theta d theta. Okay, and you can see this iota cancels out. Okay, so we don't have iota here. Okay, so okay, now let's integrate. Okay, so we'll have 3 theta plus 2 over 2 iota e raised to 2 iota theta, and limit is from 0 to 4 pi. Okay, now let's put the limit. Okay, so after putting limit we'll have 12 pi plus this 2 cancels out, so we have 1 over iota, in bracket we'll have e raised to power 8 pi I minus e raised to power 0. Okay, so after simplification we'll get 1 over 2 pi 12 pi plus 1 over iota, in bracket we'll have 0. Okay, so we'll have this equals to, this pi cancels out, and 2 6 times 12, so this will be 6. Okay, so its integral will be 6. Okay, so now this video ends here, and I have a quick announcement to make. Those students who are preparing for exams like CSR Net, GATE and other MSc entrance examination can buy our complex analysis handwritten notes for a very reasonable price for only ₹50. This notes contains lots of problem and concepts So if you are interested, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.